Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the Payoneer Prepaid Mastercard. If you're looking to manage international transactions or online payments, this video will help you decide if the Payoneer Prepaid Mastercard is the right tool for you. First off, what is the Payoneer Prepaid Mastercard? Simply put, it's a prepaid card that links to your Payoneer account, allowing you to withdraw or spend money from anywhere in the world where Mastercard is accepted. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or digital nomad, it can be a convenient solution for receiving and making payments globally. Now, let's start with the benefits. One of the main advantages of the Payoneer Prepaid Mastercard is its global reach. You can access funds from ATMs worldwide, and it's great for online purchases. Another bonus is that Payoneer makes it easy to get paid in multiple currencies, making it ideal for those who deal with international clients or platforms like Amazon, Fiverr, and Upwork. Additionally, the card offers fast transfers between Payoneer users, which can be a real-time saver. On the downside, there are a few things you need to watch out for. First, there are fees. You'll face an annual fee just to keep the card active, as well as ATM withdrawal fees and currency conversion fees if you're spending in a currency different from your account. It's important to be aware of these potential costs so that you're not caught off guard. Another limitation is that while the card is great for spending, it might not be the most cost-effective option for holding and converting large sums of money due to the currency conversion rates. If you frequently need to withdraw cash or make purchases in a currency different from your main account, these costs can add up over time. Let's talk services. Payoneer offers more than just the card. With Payoneer, you can open virtual accounts in multiple currencies, making it easier to accept international payments. Their platform allows you to manage payments efficiently and even send funds directly to a bank account. The card is simply one of the tools within the Payoneer ecosystem, designed to help users access their earnings quickly and easily. So what's the cost? In addition to the annual card fee, you'll pay for ATM withdrawals and currency conversion. There's also a fee for transferring money to other Payoneer users. These fees are worth considering if you're looking at this card as a long-term solution. To sum it up, the Payoneer Prepaid Mastercard is a powerful tool for those needing international payment solutions. Its global accessibility, quick transfers, and support for multiple currencies are excellent features. However, make sure you're prepared for the associated fees, especially if you deal with multiple currencies regularly. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.